Welcome to your new home at Park at Via Roma. Our Daytona Beach community offers a relaxing place to live and play. You can take advantage of those sunny Florida afternoons and lounge at either of our swimming pools, and there are 2 tennis courts for your enjoyment, as well as 2 on-site laundry rooms. At Park at Via Roma, we cater to our residents, so you'll be thrilled with our friendly service and timely maintenance. Park at Via Roma features a range of floor plans for every lifestyle, and no matter which option you choose, you'll have plenty of space to live comfortably. Our homes are equipped with ceiling fans in every room, and cable and water are included in your rent for your convenience. You'll love having oversized closets for easy storage and how the kitchens are well appointed for your cooking needs. We're surrounded by Daytona Beach's most exciting mix of restaurants, shopping, and nightlife, and beach access is a mere 3 miles away. Come experience the fulfilling lifestyle you've been searching for and make Park at Via Roma your new residence.